D118 clamp on. D118 transmitter. IP65, die-cast aluminum machined enclosure. CO11 clamp on transducer. IP68. Downstream transducer. Upstream transducer. Pipe straps for fixed transducers. Card reader for 8 grams SD card high memory data logging. Coupling compound. D118 clamp on ultrasonic floater is a cutting-edge universal transit time floater, equipped with arm coma technology and low-voltage broadband pulse transmission, suitable for below industries, cooling towers, data centers, energy management, building management, aquaculture, modern agriculture, etc.